Hi crafties! Today we're going to make cutesy Halloween cupcake toppers using only specialty cardstock. Working with specialty glitter cardstock sometimes requires a little extra glue. Anytime I'm gluing a glitter layer, I add hot glue to make sure that it really sticks. Of course, to add dimension, you know I had to go ahead and add the 3D foamies to give it that extra little pop. Look how beautiful this black glitter sequin holographic paper is. Let's take a moment to admire the black mirror foil board. It's seriously stunning. A favorite of mine to use is white lava holographic cardstock because it is just perfect for creating little ghosts. And just like in real life, you can never go wrong with a pink sequin glitter bow. Thanks to all the specialty cardstock used, you've now got some super cute cupcake toppers to enjoy. I hope you guys enjoyed making this project with me. As usual, the project is available to recreate in my Cricut Design Space profile, free for Cricut Access members. Happy crafting, friends!